Good morning, guys. I'll take you into my morning routine, especially pag weekend and wala akong work. Si Mrs. may pasok. First thing, drink water. Why do you have to drink water every morning? Kasi you've been sleeping for like 5, 6, 7 hours and your body needs to be rehydrated. Char. Next, magluluto ako ng, well, hindi to usual, pero kasi means, usually yung ulam or yung baon ni Mrs. is yung ulam kagabi. But kagabi wala kaming inulam na totoong ulam. Kasi nagpansit canton lang kami and egg, so I have to cook something for my wife's baon. And for today, I'm gonna be cooking beef po yan. Caldereta. Yun na, tapos na po akong magluto ng caldereta. Beef caldereta na walang pasas. Kasi hindi kumakain ng pasas si Mrs. Ayan na po baon niya. At ito ang kanyang merienda. Champurado niya. Di ako naglagay nito. Now, let's go to Pogi, the car. And because it's summer outbeatan tayo ngayon. Yeah. Hello. With my sinilas. Yeah. Now, habang pinapainit ko yung kotse, I wait for the chat, for the text. Ayun, nag-miss call na pala.
I'm calling you. An event, so we have our block party. I'm really looking forward to that. That's always great every year.
Whoa, you're wearing a shade!
Bigger than ever, so we'll be kicking up.
Elevated.
It's amazing to be able to say as well that people have found a passion for something, a hobby that they actually think, you know what, I like this, I'm good at it.
It's very important for people to have otherwise, like,
tomorrow.
other sporting background to be
There she
themselves
goes.
and enjoy the moments more.
ang sikip ko. Ang sikip ko. Bakit ako masikip? Mag-park. Para... Ayan. Diyan lang ako, diba? Para hindi ako maka-abala sa ibang kotse. And that is it. So I'm back home. Ganun usually yung ginagawa ko. On a weekend, on a Saturday or Sunday. Pag may pasok ang asawa ko. So the only thing left to do when I come back home is to turn on the TV, bumalik sa kama, at matulog ulit. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.